के पास आए हैं। यहाँ पर श्रवंती मैडम यहाँ पर है, जो कि पिछले 20 दिन से लॉकडाउन में हो या लॉकडाउन से पहले नाइट कर्फ्यू हो, आवाम की खिदमत कर रहे हैं, सोशल सर्विस कर रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल के पास आके, चाहे वो खाने के ज़रिए से हो या ब्रेड हो, कुछ भी हो। श्रवंती मैडम से बात करते हैं। मैडम
Hello Andy, my name is Shravanti. We are with you team Annie. We have formed it and it's 20 days we started the service. So all ekadante only government hospitals. Government hospitals దగ్గర వాళ్ళకి minimum need of water is not available. Water, even food. And after lockdown, they're striving like trying for the water. So people are come forward. We are doing the water bottles. In just last 3 days, we spent around 4,000 water bottles. So that is the scarcity of water in this all over the government hospitals.
actually what is this the We Are With You, is there the organization or any NGO?
We are with you is like in this COVID symptom, like everyone need a mental support. So we want to tell them, yes, we are with you. Don't worry of anything. So it's COVID is just like a virus. We can make it through it. So just like we are giving a support to them. So it's both in the ways of the like we are suggesting them the mental health, and when they are low, we are talking to them, and we are also supporting them through calls. And I'm also taking the plasma request daily around 200 to 500 calls for the plasma. And
Is there any help from plasma?
no, we are like donors are not ready to come forward for the plasma and the donation of the plasma.
Any message for public so for
Because
donate the plasma?
Yeah. So because the plasma, they are not able to donate a few to come to the hospital. Few hospitals are asking for the live donors, where these donors are not ready to come forward because the situation is like we are seeing it everywhere. It's spread of the virus, and now we started with the black fungus as well. So because of all this, they are not able to come forward, and they are ready to give it in the blood banks.
Any message for plasma donors who have first they have positive, after that they have negative? So any message for the plasma donors?
So taking me, I donated three times plasma in last 25 days. So like you can forward, you can come forward. Please, we request you to come forward and donate the plasma. It will not kill you, and it's just only the plasma we take. It's not any blood or any blood problems. So please come forward, and one plasma can save 2 lives. Okay. So I gave myself around 3 times being a woman. Okay. So why can't like a men and or the women who are not who are already affected can come forward and donate the plasma? We request all the donors, all the affected and now negative persons, please come forward and give the plasma so that we can save few people.
Last few days you have to distribute the food. In this food, what you have kind of arrangements, like meals, rice or same bread?
So like we are doing the bread, rice everyone is giving it. Yeah. So we do not want to go into the rice section. We are giving the bread, water bottles, Glucovita. So Glucovita is for the instant energy. So and bread, and we are giving it the bread and as well as water bottles. And in the night section, yes, night is like a dire need. There is no one providing the dinner. Not even any hospital, if you find there is no one providing, no volunteer or no NGOs coming forward for the dinner. Nimantran group has come forward, Nimantran hotels. They are providing us dinner packets. We are distributing in the one day in the Nilofer hospital. One day yesterday we have done it at Usmania. We have done it Gandhi and Fever hospital. All the government hospitals we have taken care till now.
So per day how many people's arrangement packets you have to distribute?
In afternoon around 500 to 600 we will serve daily. And in the night it comes for the water bottles around more than 500. And
last few days, 20 days.
It's like second wave starting. It's not now. We started from the second wave starting. It's from the month of April itself. March ending itself we started. With minimal resources we started. But now it's increasing in, and we also looking out like we are calling the donors to come forward for the water bottle. Water section is what we need. If anything, if you go inside and check in the Nilofer hospital also, we will not find any proper resource of water. So like when we enter itself, they are asking water. Please madam, we do not want to encourage water packets because in the current situation, anything chewed or anything taking the drinking water packet also, if they throw on the road, there will be a side effect. So we do not want to encourage the water packet, so that's the reason we are taking water bottles. And morning section, we are giving the water bottles and dinner. If there is like only coming breakfast will be arranging. Or else, like us, we start from the 11:30, water, Glucovita and bread till tea. And again we start arranging for the dinner. We are collecting from the like in my house we are preparing for 50 to 60 packets. And another we are getting support from the Nimantran group. So they are providing around 100. So total together 150 packets we are doing it today. Till now today. So we are asking the donors to come forward for the night dinner. So it's not like morning is completely, but night they do it. All the shops are closed. We cannot take but it's closed. So we need to arrange something for the dinner time. Even like the Sumati madam will come forward and arrange the Satyasai kitchen. They are also doing only for the afternoon. But what about the night? So we need a proper people to come forward, or else supporters will give some more dinner to be arranged for the night.
थैंक यू मैडम। ये हमारे श्रावंती मैडम थे जो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तमाम लोगों से जो पॉजिटिव आने के बाद में नेगेटिव आए हैं, उन लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लाज्मा डोनेट करिए। एक प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने से 2 जनों की ज़िंदगी बच सकती है। और तमाम लोगों से, NGO से, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से भी गुजारिश कर रहे हैं कि आगे आइए, हेल्प करिए, क्योंकि तकरीबन हॉस्पिटल्स में पानी की कमी है। इस वजह से पानी का भी इंतज़ाम कर रहे हैं। वाटर बॉटल यहाँ पैकेट्स मत लाइए, पैकेट्स लाने से भी उससे भी साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, क्योंकि पानी के पैकेट्स बाहर रोड पे फेंक देते हैं। वाटर बॉटल्स लेके आइए, वाटर बॉटल छोटे-छोटे भी अगर आप देंगे तो उससे भी आवाम को फ़ायदा होगा। मैं मोहम्मद सलमानुद्दीन, खसवा 7 न्यूज़ चैनल से।